Y'all know what time it is. This the part where we crank it up. Let's crank it up. Now here we go. People over there, what's up? You feel me? Stand up and say what's up. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? You can get with this, or you can get with that. You better get with this, cause this is where it's at. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? See, I be skipping and jumping, leaving the competition. I make them disappear like your favorite magician. And I ride it till the wheel fall off. I bounce back to back till their necks get soft. Most of the time you see me, I'm being simple. Give me the times I'll be busting them up like a pimple. Stating my claim to fame, to be one of the baddest young brothers step foot in this game. And I haven't even started yet. You can better believe I take it off the show shop bet. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up?
One love, one slam, Babylon gone, Rasta Man Reggae Savage. Whoa. One love, one slam, Babylon gone, Rasta Man Reggae Savage. Whoa.
And his opponent,
Jamaica Slammer,
from Kingston, Jamaica, weighing in at 268 pounds, Rage the Savage.
one love, one slam, Babylon
A lot on the line here tonight in this fatal four-way match, guys.
You can say that again, Michael. Given who's involved in this one, a win here tonight could be monumental for one of these superstars.
Babylon gone, Rasta Man Reggae Savage. One love, one slam, Babylon gone, Rasta Man Reggae Savage. One love, one slam, Babylon gone, Rasta Man Reggae Savage.
Rusev Udria, Rusev Machka.
Happy Rusev Day!
And from Bulgaria, weighing in at 304 pounds, the WWE Champion Rusev.
The Lion of Bulgaria fighting for all of his constituents. Rusev Day is a real-life phenomenon, taking the world by storm.
It really is a holiday, Byron. It pops up on my calendar on my phone.
Okay, so no matter how you feel about this made-up holiday, what it has done is provide virtual jet fuel for the confidence of Rusev, who is more driven than we've ever seen him.
And from Amsterdam, in the Netherlands, weighing in at 640 pounds, Big Funky.
Fatal four-way action coming up. And Byron, what should we look out for in this one?
This is one of those matches, Michael, where anything can happen, and it usually does. The only thing I know for sure is that the referee will have his hands full in this one.
I am the slam, the groove commander. My style is raw, too hot to handle. The game ain't my game.
And here we go. Fatal four-way action is underway.
The referee's going to have his hands full in this one. Officiating a one-on-one match is hard enough.
What a stomp. Good grief. Oh my God, just breaking down the opponent. That'll hinder your modeling career. On the mark. drop.
I don't have you walking funny.
He's starting to stumble here. It'll be interesting to see how he responds here in this four-way environment.
At this point, it's still anybody's match, Cole, but he's got to be careful not to take too much more punishment here if he wants to be the one walking away with the win.
Yeah, but if you count him out now, guys, you'd be making a very big mistake. Mark my words.
Jaw shattered. Oh, look, Rusev's in position. The mighty R-Truth looking a bit surprised by this assault.
He's got not one, but three guys looking to destroy him here tonight.
The good news for him is that he doesn't appear to have taken too much offense up to this point, but that can obviously all change here.
Taken off his feet here.
And it's moves like that that make him so dangerous.
Spear! Spear!
That'll break you in half. Now the old vicious head crank. Look at the torque.
Belly to belly suplex. Oh boy, he is rolling.
He's on his heels. He'll need to find a way to create some space if he wants to win this fatal four-way match.
Running power slam. Here's his chance to win this.
He's calling for it. He's looking at it.
Power slam.
But he's got his shoulders are down.
Rough landing.
One love,
There's the
one
pinfall
slam,
and the victory.
Babylon gone, Rasta Man Reggae Savage.
And here's another look at why the Fatal 4-Way is one of the most unpredictable and entertaining matches in WWE.
Jamaica Slammer.
Here is your winner, Rage the Savage.
Put it in the books. And there was no question about that one.
This guy's dominance in the fatal four-way match is simply undeniable.
Yeah, you can bet we're going to be talking about this match for quite some time.